Hi, my name is Tim with the law firm Denton Peterson, and I practice employment law here at the firm. I receive a lot of questions about how the process of filing an EEOC complaint, or the Equal Opportunity Employment Commission complaint, is done. In Arizona, there's actually two forms to file a complaint, with the EEOC or with the Arizona Civil Rights Division. Types of claims covered by the EEOC or the Arizona Civil Rights Division are typically fall under discrimination type of claims. For instance, age discrimination, sex discrimination, national origin discrimination, race discrimination, and disability discrimination. In order to file a claim with the AZCRD, the Arizona Civil Rights Division, or the EEOC, all that's required is either file an online complaint, or you go into each of the offices or one of the offices and file a complaint with them in person. At that time, there will be an intake personnel there to assist you in filing your claim. Once this claim is ready, it will be filed as a formal charge against the employer. Once the charge has been filed, the employer will have an opportunity to select either mediation, or they will be able to file an employer response. Let's talk about mediation. If you as an employee would like to choose mediation, you can tell the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division investigator that you choose mediation. The employer has the chance also to select whether or not they'd like to choose mediation. At times, mediation can be a good option to keep costs down and to ensure that you can move forward, as well as the employer can move forward with their business or with their life. However, sometimes parties are so far apart in what they believe actually happened that mediation is not a good option. That is when investigation takes place. After the employer files their response with the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division, the investigation begins. This can include the EEOC going to the workplace where you formerly worked or where you currently work and asking questions of those that you've accused of discrimination or witnesses that you've listed in your charge. Once this is done, the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division will conclude their investigation and issue either a for-cause finding, which means they have found that their discrimination took place, or a no-cause finding. And that can mean one of two things. One, either the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division did not have the resources or time to fully investigate the claim. Or it could mean that after a full investigation, they found no cause for your discrimination claim. In any event, the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division conclusion of their investigation is not the ultimate end of your claim. You have the option to pursue claims through litigation. They will give you what's called a right to sue letter. Once you have a right to sue letter, you can file a claim in state or federal court, depending on which laws you are filing suit. However, if you have a for-cause finding from the EEOC, you can be sure that there will be a much better chance of a favorable outcome than if you have a no-cause finding. For instance, the difference is if you go to a jury trial or a trial before a judge with a for-cause finding, your attorney will be able to stand up to the jury and say, the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division, who investigated this claim, and who has authority to investigate all discrimination claims, has found that there is actual cause for discrimination in this case. While the judge or jury does not have to take that as a final verdict, it is very persuasive, and can oftentimes lead to the employer offering you a better settlement before trial or getting a better verdict in trial. If you have questions about these types of issues that require you to file a claim with the EEOC or Arizona Civil Rights Division, please contact an attorney here at Denton Peterson Law Firm. We'd be happy to help.